Niagara Falls, Canada's Wonderland, Cup and Saucer, Manitoulin Island, Rotary Trail Park, Toronto Zoo, Task Tulip Festival, CN Tower, Ripley's Aquarium, Toronto Subway, and many more. Walk and explore Ontario, Canada with Lucille's Hive.
The Wahnapitae First Nation is a Noyabwe First Nation band government in the Canadian province of Ontario, who primarily reside on the 1036-hectare 2,560-acre Wahnapitae Indian Reserve No. 11 on the northwestern shore of Lake Wanapitei. The First Nation is a signatory to the Robinson-Huron Treaty of 1850 as the Tagaiwanese Band. The reserve had a resident population of 102 in the Canada 2011 census. The First Nation also has approximately 200 further registered members who currently live off reserve. The reserve is an enclave located entirely within the city boundaries of Greater Sudbury, although it is not legally or politically part of the city. However, the reserve is considered part of Greater Sudbury's census. The main business on the reserve is Rockies, a bar and restaurant with camping facilities and snowmobiling trails, which is popular with recreational and permanent residents of the Lake Wanapitei area.
Let's take a picture. Just make sure you keep everybody out.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna take a picture.
I'll just take video of that. I'll take video of that. That's cool.
This is TP, often called a lodge in English, is a conical tent, historically made of animal hides or pelts,
Nice.
and in more recent generations of canvas, stretched on a framework of wooden poles. Historically, the taipai has been used by some indigenous peoples
okay?
off Theplinson, the Great Plains and Canadian prairies off North America.
I want to see inside. Oh.
Keisha. You want, bitch? What?
That's cool. Let's go now. Oops.
That was actually a nice dab.
Sorry. No, I will go at the front. Forest! Did you enjoy it, guys?
I'd like to go next again. Ethan, you're in the way.
Oh my goodness.
No, I'll delete it, don't worry.
Oh, I just made a bunch of mess ups in one go.
Where did Zach go? Is he in the car?
What?
Is he in the car?
I think so.
Why didn't you have your license for 4 years? I could have drove us back home.
Okay, I'll go at the front.
Oh, you want front picture?
Yeah, let's take
Okay.
video, go like inside.
You want a photo of us?
Yeah?
At the front?
Yeah?
Okay. Oh yeah, he's good. Oh yeah, he's good for drone. He's good for drone. He's a bumblebee. That's glass.
There we go. I will let them.
videoing them and
Oops. I'm just gonna see. Oh.
We spent almost 2 hours for lecturing us about their culture and beliefs, but due to privacy purposes, I did not take the video.
Oh, that's the meaning that she explaining. He explained.
Since I have a few of you guys here who want to help me,